Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to activate Turbotax from Costco. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your web browser and navigate to the official Turbotax website. Once the page loads, you'll want to look for the Sign Up or Start for Free button. Simply click Start for Free to begin this quick registration process. Here, you'll enter some basic information like your name, email address, and other necessary details. As you continue, you will at some stage in the process be asked to provide the product key. This is a critical step in activating your Turbotax software, so have your purchase details ready. The product key is typically found inside the packaging if you purchased a physical copy from Costco, or it may have been emailed to you if you bought a digital version. Enter it exactly as it appears, ensuring there are no typos, as this will verify your purchase and activate the software. Without this key, you won't be able to proceed. Once your product key is successfully entered and verified, you'll proceed to create an Intuit account. And there you have it. You've successfully activated Turbotax using the product you purchased at Costco. So that is how you can activate Turbotax from Costco. So that's all for this video. Thanks.